Okay, let's try this again. This is the backsplash that I just got through finishing up. I've been working on this for a while. I've never done a backsplash before. I've never helped anyone do backsplash before. So basically I was just teaching myself using common sense to get this accomplished. Just got some cleaning up to do. I also had to raise the cabinets to the ceiling so I could install the microwave, so there'll be a good enough space from the stove, because it's a pretty big size microwave oven. And then it continues over here. That's my lunch. Continues over there, continues right there. This wood right here is for doing a customized shelving system with drawers instead of shelves. Converting it from shelves to drawers. I installed the sink, the backsplash behind the sink, and then it goes over here to the rest of the backsplash that continues underneath over there where all my tools are. I've installed this dishwasher also, along, like I said, with the sink. Also installed this refrigerator, which is a very huge refrigerator. It was very hard to get into this kitchen with just that narrow space of an entrance. So pretty much, I like this one. This is the last one I did. The first one was so-so. Second was like okay, but this one came out awesome. I think this one was. I finally got the hang of what I was doing. So that's pretty much it. My first backsplash. Told the lady I never done it before, but everything else I've done, two other guys could not do. So she had confidence that I could do it, and sure enough, I did it. Thank you, Jesus, for this wonderful training and ability to overcome my fear of doing such a job by myself. But nevertheless, I did. Thank you very much. I love you, honey bunny.